Hello, my name is Maria Santander. How to refute an idea? It can be clearly seen from the video that the debate is about the second amendment stipulates in the United States Bill of Rights, which says the following: saying and which order the militias is necessary for the security of its free states. The right of the people to possess and bear arms will not be violated. Bringing up for the debate with the courts relies in the Harlan case in that there is eight that I do not agree with the points of view of Mr. Donald Trump, saying the idea of this debate is that the participants have their opinions and the sanctions whilst during the debate he only expressed that he is the great defender of the second amendment and not arts. While Secretary Hillary was the head to host his opinions too, understands it is their weight that A does not got so many that she states that he does not what removes it. Same, same is defenseless. She sport it. And that rider was in she propulsions. I watched Fudedons. I think that there can and there should be a reasonable regulations. Hillary, what she really is worrying about is the consequences that are being generated by the lack of arms control in her country. The ways in which she expressed her points in the one that are real agreeing with, saying she shows a concern for the victims, while Mr. Trump does not seem to care about the situations argues that his state Chicago um, uh, West has the most really large is the United States is one of the states with the most violence does not show any kind of violence for the more than 33 ounces victims of weapons of fire they have in that country. Furthermore, and this advice intervenes in the regulation of weapons. The, the situations of mass shootings in the country goes improved. And what last time you mentioned too points that comes being events for guns regulations, fear of odds, creates formats that schizophrenia of the is sinking points and dig that people and show limits down into the number of weapons. The fewer weapons I did the East Lens, the near finalist, finalist. Ian's the things down one way to read reduce homicides and suicides is by mm, making reherence reloads of arms regulations. Goodbye.